Welcome back, guys. Today we are creating this freelance website UI design, and this is simple design. And with the help of this design, I will learn you how to create any type of hero section and how to create easily auto layout. So for that, press F for MacBook Pro 16-inch frame and 40 pixel corner radius, and just add our character here. So how to create this type of character? So just I'll go on so for this character I'll use Pinterest platform and choose this character. Just copy and paste in Sora. So just add Sora this image and add this prompt. You can see here is the image and here is the prompt, and this is the after result. Okay, so this is the way how I create this character. So now we are adding some triangle and this type of blur element. So for that, press R and rectangle for corner radius, 18 pixel corner radius, little bit of 30% tilt, black, and 12% opacity, and go to effect, background blur 12%, we are decreasing 8% was good, and fill and their opacity, we are changing their opacity 12 to 8%. Okay, now it's look good, so just add it here. And okay, now we are added triangle, same. Now we are creating a triangle, same. Just opacity is 8%, effect, background blur 8%, and tilt it. Okay, now it's looks good. We are create more bigger, 122, and okay, now we are adding a logo. So here is the logo, and now we are adding and head, and after that we are creating a menu pages option here. So here is the menu pages option, and this these three options are regular pop in 75%, but home page is little bit of bold because this is our current page. So we need to show a current page to user. So we are showing like this, and add search icon here, and okay, so shift A to auto layout center, and now we are creating this. Just login and shift A to auto layout, stroke, just 22. And the 4 pixel corner radius. Just to shift it to auto layout and center it. Now we are adding our main title. Just press T, and here is our main title. And if you can, and you can see here right side title value. Now we are creating a button, so just copy this button and add here. But now we are change no more. Okay, and just 30, 30 to 24. Oh, edit here. Now we are creating our achievement section, and if you want to add auto layout, so you can auto layout, and we are creating this bar for showing our achievements. So just press R and create it. We are matching height and width, so 782 by 26. 12% opacity, and add corner radius 12, 14 and 18 pixel. 18 pixel was good, and 8% opacity. So now we are adding our achievement number, 14 plus projects created. So add this number here, and you can see right side this text value. Okay, so just select these two elements and shift A to auto layout. Now we are adding more and more, just changing a number. Now what we can do is just select these three achievement number, shift A to auto layout, and select background and this number group. So you can see here, now our design is ready. So if you have any type of comment and doubt, so please drop your comment in comment box. I will try my best to answer your comment. Before we move ahead, I want to tell you about a website that will make your website design and develop journey super easier. Its name is uxmagic.ai Copilot. With this tool, you can make a website just by writing a single prompt. If you see any website design image on internet that you like, you can upload it here and create a similar design. Even if you made a rough sketch of your website on paper with a pen, this tool can turn that into a real website design. If you want to try it out, the link is given below in the description, and if you use my coupon code, you will get 10% off. You will also get a 10% discount if you go through my link.